Good morning, students. Standard 8, Subject Maths, Chapter 11, Mensuration.
Now our next topic is volume and capacity. Volume and capacity are one and the same thing. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a sheet. Capacity is the quantity that a container can hold. Capacity can be measured in form of liters. Now we can see the relation between liter and centimeter cube as 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, 1 ml equal to 1 centimeter cube, 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Thus 1 meter cube equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube or equal to 1000 liter. Now we start exercise 11.4. Given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area and inform us which situation volume. First one is to find how much it can hold. It means here hold is given. So how much? That is the volume. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. How many cement bags are required? That is the surface area. And third one, to find the number of smaller tank that can be filled with water from it. It means here again how much water filled in the tank, that is again a volume. Now students, see here, if we find area when a region covered by a boundary such as outer and inner surface area of a cylinder, a cone, a sphere and surface or a wall or float. When the amount of space occupied by an object such as water, milk, coffee, tea, etc., then we have to find out volume of the object. Students, listen carefully that we have to find about solid, that time we have to find the surface area, and whatever we have to find that liquid form, so we have to find the volume, how much volume. Now next one is question number 2. Diameter of cylinder A is 7 cm and height is 14 cm, and diameter of cylinder B is 14 cm and height is 7 cm. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. Yes, we can say that volume of cylinder B is greater since radius of cylinder B is greater than that of a cylinder A. First of all, we have to find out the volume of cylinder. Formula pi r square h. So diameter 7, so radius is 7 by 2 and height is given 14 centimeter. So put in the value in formula. Pi value is 22 by 7, multiply 7 by 2, multiply 7 by 2, multiply 14. So our answer is 539. So volume of cylinder A is 539 centimeter cube. Students, listen carefully. In surface area we have to find this, write the centimeter square, but in volume we have to write centimeter cube. Next one is diameter is 14. So radius is 14 divided by 2, that is 7, and height is again 7 centimeters. So put in the formula 22 by 7, multiply 7, multiply 7, multiply 7. So our answer is 1078. Therefore volume of cylinder B is 1078 centimeter cube. Now which one is the greater, A or B? B is a greater. So again we have to find the surface area. Formula 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. 2 multiply 22 by 7, multiply 7 by 2, multiply 7 by 2 plus 14, that is 385. So surface area of cylinder A is 385 centimeter square. Cylinder B is 616. So which one is the greater? B is the greater. Therefore cylinder with greater volume and also greater surface area. Come to the next question number 3. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. Now students, here cuboid base is given. So base means LB. So volume of cuboid is given 900 centimeter cube. So put in the formula, volume of cuboid, L multiply B multiply H. Volume is given 900, base is given LB, that is 180, and we have to find the height. The height equal to 5 centimeter. Now a cuboid of the next question number 4. A cuboid is of dimension 60, 50 and 30. 60 centimeters length, 54 centimeters breadth and 30 centimeters height. So how many small cubes of with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So first of all we have to find the volume of cuboid, LBH. Put in the value. What is the answer? 97,200 centimeter cube. Now how many small cubes are we have to place in that cuboid? So volume of cube, side formula side cube. So 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, that is 216 centimeter cube. So number of small cubes we have to find out. So volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube. So our answer is 450. So in this sum we have to find the required cubes are 450. Next question number 5. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.554 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Now students, here diameter is given and volume is given. So diameter we have to find the radius, d divided by 2, that is 70 centimeter. Put in the formula volume of cylinder pi r square h. So 1.54 equal to 22 by 7 multiply 0.7 multiply 0.7 multiply h. H means height, so our height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Now question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. Now students, here radius is given 1.5 meter, length is given 7 centimeter. Length, it means height, that is the height, and height is 7 centimeter. So we have to put in the formula volume of cylindrical tank, pi r square h. So what is the volume? It means 49,500 liters. Why? Because 49.5 centimeter cube is our answer. But what is the, before we have to exercise volume centimeter to liter, we have to convert, that is 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So 49.5 multiply 1000 liter, that is 49,500 liters. Hence required quantity of milk is 49,500 liters. Now come to the question number 7. If each edge of a cube is double, how many times will its surface area increase? Let the edge of the cube is L. Formula of surface area of the cube A is equal to 6L square. When edge of cube is double, then surface area of the cube, say A, equal to 6 multiply 2L square, that is 6 multiply 4L square. So 6 4s are 24, or you can to put 6 instead of 4. So 4 multiply 6L square, that is A dash equal to 4L, and surface area will increase by 4 times. Now volume of cube V equal to L cube. When edge of cube is double, then volume of cube, say V dash 2L cube equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, that is 8L cube. So 8 multiply V. So hence volume of increase is 8 times. Question number 8. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Now here students, volume of reservoir is given and rate of pouring water into cuboidal reservoir is 60 liters. So we have to convert in minutes, that is 60 divided by 1000 meter cube per minute. So since 1 liter equal to 1 divided by 1000 meter cube. So 60 multiply 60 divided by 1000 meter cube per hour. Therefore 60 multiply 60 divided by 1000 meter cube water filled in reservoir will take 1 hour. Therefore 1 meter cube water filled in reservoir will take 1000 divided by 60 multiply 60 hours. Therefore 108 meter cube water filled in reservoir will take 108 multiply 1000 divided by 60 multiply 60. So equal to 30 hours. So it will take 30 hours to fill the reservoir. Now students, here exercise 11.4 and as well as our chapter 11 is over. Thank you.